To be able to use field and machine data from your tractor terminal in FendtONE offboard, you need to export them. This is very easy if you already have a tractor with a new driver's workplace with FendtONE terminal. In the top right-hand corner, you will see the drop-down menu or hamburger menu. Tap on the menu and press System Setup. You are now in the General settings. Switch from the General tab to the Isobus and TaskDock tab. Now scroll to the TaskDock settings. Here you select the type of data transfer, via a mobile wireless network or with a USB stick. You can also determine the export version of the ISO XML file within the TaskDock settings. If you select Auto, the ISO XML export version is automatically determined by the last imported version. ISO XML 3 and 4 differ mainly in the scope and the possible uses of the data. ISO XML 4 already supports all way lines, that is, not only A-B lines and curves, but also circles, single tracks, contour segments, and single contour segments. Furthermore, not only one but several exclusion zones, as well as obstacles, can be transferred. With ISO XML 4, you can also edit your field data afterwards, and duplicates are avoided when merging fields. You have the option to export all ISO XML data, that is to perform a master data export. This includes guide-relevant data and products such as fertilizers. Alternatively, you can also export only guide-relevant data. In this case, your fields, boundaries, obstacles, way lines and implements are transferred. If wireless data transfer via a mobile network has been selected, field and machine data are automatically distributed to the corresponding tiles in FendtONE offboard. If you import your data via USB stick into FendtONE offboard, you have to upload machine and field data separately. First, select the Machines tile. You can now upload your zip file via the Import button. Field data is imported via the Fields tile. Here you also start the upload of your zip file via the Import button. The machine or field data is taken from the zip file specifically in each tile. One thing is simple: FendtONE.